Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro-Japanese Yen for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. I'll be coming again on Monday with the analysis for the Monday and next week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 129.49. Okay, this is the current market price, and see market was a beautiful uptrend, and right now market has crossed the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average, the support. Okay, 50 moving average was acting as a very strong support for the market, and as of now market is trading below the support, okay, for a couple of hours. So that's a bad sign. So this, so now it seems that the 50 moving average is not a valid support, or is not acting as a valid support for the market. And if you can see here, okay, see, after, okay, let me take out the pencil first. Okay, just try to understand the logic and concept. Okay, when market cross this level, this candle looks like a, it, so just focus on the green candle, it looks like a breakout, it's not it. But after that you see a market has formed a big red candle. Okay, that's why I always focus on, and on each and every video almost I say that you need the confirmation. Okay, that's why confirmation is very important. Okay, I always remember, I always tell that wait for 2-3 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that market is trading comfortably, then only buy. Okay, that's why I tell these words. Just see, this is the reason I always say, see market, this looks like a clean breakout. Okay, but just look at the next candle, it formed a big red candle. Okay, that's why confirmation is important. That's why understanding the psychology of the market is very, very essential. Okay, that's why it is hard to earn money from trading. Okay, because most of us do not focus on learning. Okay, you need to understand the market. Okay, and see, 50, we all know that this 50 moving average has been acting as a support for the market for at least 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, market was in great uptrend. Okay, still I in my each and every video I tell you that I always tell that it is very easy to trade on a trending market, especially on a trending market, but we need to find the area of value, and it is near the support. Okay, so I always tell that always buy near the support, but I also mentioned that you need to have the confirmation in the form of a hammer or a big fat candle like this, because if you do not get the confirmation and do not wait for the confirmation, then this type of scenario happens. Okay, that's why confirmation is very, very essential. So right now we can see that 50 moving average is not a valid support for the market. Okay, so what you should do then? Mm, you should just avoid Euro Japanese Yen for Friday. Simple. There are plenty of currency pairs available to make money. Okay, so just avoid the Euro Japanese Yen, because right now, see, it seems that it is it is just at the support. It may or may not bounce from here. We do not know. Okay, but one thing is very clear: that 130.65, this level is a resistance for the market, and if market falls from here, then this level should provide some support to the market, 128.76. Okay, so as of now, it is best to wait and watch. That's it. Okay, we do not need to take any risk, because if you go ahead and buy somewhere around here, then it will be like gamble. Okay, gambling is not a part of technical analysis. Okay, so just wait, or just leave Euro Japanese Yen for Friday. Simple. Hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you on Monday.